Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Roblox not showing. If your Roblox are not showing and it is stuck on 0, what you can do is simply try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and also toggling airplane mode on and off on your device to reset your network. The other thing that you can do is head over to the three lines at the top left of your screen, log out of your account and re-log into your account. The other thing that you can do is head over to your app drawer, close up Roblox and then reopen Roblox on your device. If that too does not help, what you can do is head over to the settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, simply tap on apps, tap on Roblox, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Roblox and try again. If that too does not work, try logging into Roblox using a web browser or a PC, and if your Roblox are not appearing over there, you will have to contact Roblox customer support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.